Avalanche just pulled back on price, but the network is heating up under the surface. According to Crypto.news, AVAX tapped about $25.6 for dollars on August 18th, then slipped toward the $23 area with the broader market sell-off. Even so, the chain's usage is spiking. Here is the headline you need. According to Crypto.news, on-chain analytics from Nonsense show Avalanche daily transactions jumped more than 100% over the last month, climbing from roughly 500,000 per day to over 1.3 million per day, with most of that surge arriving in the past 2 weeks. That is classic divergence, price cooling while activity accelerates. DeFi traction is firming up as well. According to Crypto.news, Diffalama data shows total value locked on Avalanche ticking higher from the April 2024 lows, and stablecoin growth has been one of the key supports for that trend. More stablecoin liquidity usually means tighter spreads, easier routing, and a better experience for users and apps. Narrative catalysts are stacking. According to Crypto.news, real-world asset tokenization on Avalanche keeps getting headlines. Bowmore, one of Scotland's oldest distilleries, launched tokenized whiskey bottles on AVAX, and back in July the ecosystem highlighted about $250 million of RWAs coming on-chain via Grove. There is also a Visa tie-up for global stablecoin settlement that keeps Avalanche in the payments conversation. What does this mix of falling price and rising activity usually mean? It often says builders and users are leaning in while traders de-risk on the edges. If usage holds, price tends to catch up. According to Crypto.news, analysts looking at this backdrop think AVAX has a credible setup for a renewed breakout once the market digests the latest profit-taking. Key things to watch over the next few weeks. First, transactions and active addresses. If daily transactions stay near or above the 1 million mark, that confirms sticky demand. Second, TVL velocity. If TVL keeps grinding up alongside stablecoin balances, DeFi revenue and fees should follow. Third, RWA and payments pilots. If the tokenized whiskey drop, Grove's pipeline, or the Visa settlement work spawn follow-on launches, that strengthens the use it, don't just trade it story. All of these checkpoints were flagged in the Crypto.news roundup. Risk check. This is still a high beta asset. If Bitcoin and Ethereum extend their pullback, Alt-L1s usually take the bigger percentage hit. And while RWAs and payments partnerships are promising, they need real volumes to matter. If volumes don't materialize, the narrative fades fast. Those caveats are implicit in the same Crypto.news coverage. Bottom line. According to Crypto.news, Avalanche activity is ripping higher even as AVAX cools, with Nonsense flagging a move from roughly 500,000 to 1.3 meters daily transactions. TVL climbing off the floor, and fresh RWA and payments catalysts in flight. If those fundamentals persist, the price action has a foundation to build on once risk appetite returns.